Okay, this is lot E, and these are Christmas cards. So this is what the front looks like that you're gonna diamond paint. There's the back, and here is the inside. So I think they're very unique to write your message in there. This is another one, the Santa with his little friends there. Here's the inside of this one. There's Santa. And the inside of that one. Have a magical Christmas. It's the unicorn. And there's the message. That one. And inside. Yeah, Merry Christmas. And the inside. Santa. And the inside. And lastly, another Santa with the tree. And the inside. But yeah, big envelopes here. Comes with a picture, so you can see what they look like. And also these come individual with each card. So this would be for card number 7, and you would just open that one, which I think is really good. These were from Diamond Painting Shop, so of course they always do things different, which is good. So that's for number 6 there, and so on and so on. And I believe that these are all regular drills here, but still loads of fun. This one's $20 as well. And of course, if you're interested in more than one, just let me know and we will talk about it. And my email address is in the description box, probably in a pinned comment, and you could let me know on the subject line which one you're interested in. Put lot E or whatever on it, and I'll know what you're talking about. And alright, thanks guys. I'll see you next time with something new.